Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. And today we came up with an interesting concept. Before moving to that, do share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the videos. Check out the playlist. You will get 100 plus videos related to your interviews on trainers, team lead, quality analyst, SME, ideation, Excel dashboards, Google Data Studio, Six Sigma certification, many more are there. Do watch, guys. Don't miss to click on the like option if you seriously like all the videos. So today we came up with an interesting topic, that is how you can link your different subsheets with the master sheet. Now this is our master sheet. I can say I'm preparing one dashboard and these are my all the subsheet. Suppose my manager asks me, want to see the team lead wise performance. How can I see? You can see here. If I directly click here, it will redirect me here. How we can do this? So you will find many of the videos on it, like they will tell navigation tab in the Excel, or else link the master Excel with the other subsheet in the Excel sheet. How we can do this? It's quite simple. So basically, to start off this, let's delete everything and let's start it with fresh. So I'm just deleting it everything. So this is for easiest way we can do. Okay, so it's done. Now I did just went to the view option and I deleted the grid lines and I took the entire, I believe you all know this, how we can do this. Now let's add two, go to the insert tab, let's add two buttons, go to the shapes, you can add two buttons here. How many subsheet you have, you can go on the basis of it. So I'm going with two. I have I'll go with the three, I believe. Yes, okay, now two and now one more, three. I added three subsheet. Let me move this to some further. Okay, let's give the name, it's my home tab. And let me give the color coding. Okay, you can give bold, you can increase the everything. Let me remove this both and let's copy the same. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. If you do this, everything will get copied. Okay, it's looking really cool. In the second tab I want team lead performance. Okay, let me reduce some uh, size. I'm reducing it. Now this is okay. It still required some more size to reduce, or else let me increase the size of these tabs. It's up to you guys how you want to show your data. It completely your wish. The way you want, you can design it with color, font and everything. It's really easy to do. I believe you know the basic Excel. Now I will just mention this as manager performance, manager wise performance. Now I will link this all the sheet with the subsheet. Let's go to the home. For the home, I want to link it with the same sheet. How I can do? Select, don't directly click middle of it. Just select the border of this button. Click right click on your mouse. You will find the option of link. If you click here, it will ask where you want. It will have multiple options here, like existing file on the web page, or creating new document, email address if you want to send it on the email, or else if you want to link any website, like you want to add, you are adding the Facebook button, you can link it with the www.facebook.com. You can do that also. So I just go with the create, I'll go with the place in the document, the second option. I will link with the main sheet only because this is the home. Now if you remove, yes, you are on the same page. Let's move to this team lead wise performance. Again, right click, link, team lead wise performance, team lead wise detail. Done. Let's move to this next option. Do right click, link, manager wise performance. Now you can see, guys, if you click on team lead, yes, you got redirect to the team lead wise. If you click on manager, you got redirect to the manager wise. Let copy paste, let copy paste this. Let's copy this to the other tab, home, and let's copy this to the manager also. Now if you click on home here, it will redirect to the home. If you click on team lead wise performance, you are in the team lead wise. If you click on home, again you will back to the main dashboard. You go to the manager wise. If you can click on home, you will redirect to the main dashboard. It seems like a website if you're creating, and you will getting like home, about us, services. You are going to the another pages here. The same way you can go to the different sheet. I hope this is very much easy and understandable. You guys can use it in any of your report. If you're working with operation trainers or quality, it will really help you out rather than going manually with other sheets. So this is all about the particular video, guys. If you still have any question, you can please let me know. Also, if you want to unlink it, same, you need to double click here, you need to right click here. You will get an option of remove the link. If you do this, yes, the link got removed. Again, you can add, right click, link, dashboard. Okay, so quite easy, guys. Just try it. Let me know if you face any of the challenges. Do share, subscribe the channel, click on like option, and follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.